In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up FaceTime on your iPhone and iPad devices to make the most out of Apple's built-in video calling feature. This setup is straightforward and quick, and by the end of this guide, you'll be ready to connect with friends and family via FaceTime. First, begin by unlocking your device and navigating to the home screen. From there, look for the gear icon, which represents the Settings app, and tap on it to open. This app is where all the magic happens for customizing and setting up your device's features. Once you've opened settings, you'll need to scroll down through the list of options until you find the section labeled apps. This might take a moment depending on the number of features and apps you have, but don't worry, just take your time. Under apps, look for FaceTime and select it. This will take you to the FaceTime settings page, where you can configure all related options. Now let's ensure FaceTime is activated. You'll see an option to toggle FaceTime on or off. If it happens to be off, go ahead and slide the toggle to the right to turn it on. You'll know it's activated when the toggle turns green. If asked, sign in with your Apple ID. This step is crucial because your Apple ID is what connects all of Apple's services, allowing you to use FaceTime across your Apple devices seamlessly. After doing so, it's time to set up where and how people can contact you via FaceTime. On this page, you will see the option to choose your phone number or any email addresses associated with your Apple ID. These are the contacts people can use to reach you via FaceTime. You can select one or multiple options depending on how you wish to be contacted. This flexibility ensures you never miss a call, whether through your phone number or a preferred email. Congratulations, your FaceTime is now set up and ready for action on your iPhone or iPad. You can return to the home screen, open the FaceTime app, and start a call with just one tap. Remember, FaceTime isn't just for video, it supports audio calls too, which can be a neat way to save on phone plan minutes if you're connected to Wi-Fi. Thus, you've successfully learned to set up FaceTime. Feel free to explore this app further to familiarize yourself with its features. Now, you're all set to start making those video calls and stay connected with your loved ones. Thanks for watching, and I hope your new FaceTime setup brings you closer to those that matter most.